Paul, I have a really big bone to pick with you. You told me that if I want to master Excel, I just need to find the best cheat sheets on LinkedIn. And here I am with 79 top 10 shortcut cheat sheets, 63 top 10 function cheat sheets, 23 that tell me how to be a good CFO, 47 that tell me how to be a good FP&A professional. I don't know what I'm doing.
Calm down, be humble, and listen. This whole thing is easy. You bought the magnifying glass I told you to buy, right?
I bought the magnifying glass you told me to buy.
So you wanted to learn the shortcuts for copy-paste values, invaluable for Excel. They are on sheet 75.
How have you indexed your cheat sheets? What am I looking at?
Can you ever listen, Giles? This whole thing is easy. Didn't you see the free course posted by LinkedIn Lunatic last week?
I don't like you, Paul.
You know what? How about I do this? How about I share a high-resolution PDF with you that you can actually read?
Yes, that would help. Do that. Send it to me.
Okay, so here's what I need to do that. You ready? Really simple. I need your email, your bank account, and your mother's maiden name.
I give up.
Fine.
Oh, wow, look here, what a magical find. A cheat sheet to boost my professional mind. Master Excel in 5 minutes or less. 100 small tips, I'm so darn impressed. Wait, hold on, why's the font so small? I need a telescope to read this at all. Use Control+C to copy, wow, what a trick. And try using bold, my God, that's so slick. Oh, cheat sheets, filling my feed. Teaching me knowledge I don't really need. A million reactions, 1,000 to share. Revealing secrets like it's good to breathe in air. Try showing up, oh wow, that's clear. Networking helps, oh gee, what a find. Who knew that connections might help you get signed? Oh, cheat sheets, filling my feed. Teaching me knowledge I don't really need. A million reactions, 1,000 to share. Revealing secrets like it's good to breathe in air. They say keep on grinding, success will be near. And follow me please, and give me a cheer. With wisdom so deep, so groundbreaking, so true. Work hard, be nice, who knew that was new? Oh, cheat sheets, filling my feed. Teaching me knowledge I don't really need. A million reactions, 1,000 to share. Revealing secrets like it's good to breathe in air. Cheat sheets, filling my feed. Teaching me knowledge I don't really need. A million reactions, 1,000 to share. Revealing secrets like it's good to